Say your prayers, Andros. Don't get too cocky, Starfox.
Let's see how you handle our new ships.
Too bad Dad's not here to see you fail. We'll make sure you never reach Andros. We'll just see about that, Star Wolf. You guys don't give up.
Not yet. The party's just begun.
Get to the pond, froggies. Give it up! You can't win! You can't beat me! I've got a better ship! I'm gonna bust you up real good!
Fox, get this guy off me!
You're supposed to help me like that, too! I see you've got new ships! I won't let you get away from me!
Not yet. The party's just begun.
Hey, nice aircraft, guys!
I see you've got new ships! I won't let you get away from me! Hey, Einstein, I'm on your side! Give it up! You can't win! Ah! I won't let you get away from me! Knock it off, Hawk! Knock it off, Hawk! You can't beat me! I've got a better ship! Oh! This can't be happening! There's one more to go.
No good.
But I'm better.
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 No good.
But I'm better. No way! I don't believe it! I'll go it alone from here.